Hi, this is Father's Morning Dove, and I wanted to do a quick little review of this awesome freaking beast of a coffee machine. I have had this programmable 5 cup coffee machine from Mr. Coffee for over 5 years. And let me tell you, this thing seriously is a beast. It costed me like $12 in a Target, and I think right now they still cost maybe like $20, 19, $20, so it's still very affordable. And I mean, it's awesome. I've taken this thing, it's so small. Like, this is a 32 ounce Yeti. Right now, it's like so compact. So when I travel, I put it in like a little grocery bag with me with my coffee and my sugar and stuff. And it's so convenient, and like it still works perfectly fine. It's awesome. And my husband doesn't drink coffee, so it's just perfect for me. It's a little one person thing. The only downside is it doesn't come in any colors. I wish it came in white so that it would match my kitchen a little better, but other than that, it's perfect. And it just uses those normal like 4 cup filters. Fill it with water in the back, either brew now or you can set it to time to brew in the morning. So on my work days, I click brew later. I can do that right now. Click brew later, and it will go off at 4 a.m. or whatever time I set it to. So now I'm gonna turn that off. Yeah, this thing is a beast. So underrated. Yeah, this is the only one of their coffee machines I've tried. I don't know if their other ones, their bigger ones, are better, but this thing is awesome. And like I said, I got it for $12 5 years ago. It costs like maybe $19, $20 now, and it's awesome.